All right. So I just wanted to walk you through this first Khan Academy Google Classroom I created. I'm supposed to talk to Miss Grigsby, hope I'm saying that right, on Monday about taking this and converting it into D2L or just linking it to D2L. I haven't really decided yet. I'd like to make things as simple as possible, but I really like this format, and I thought I'd share it with you pretty quickly, give you an idea of some ideas I've had to get Khan Academy into everybody's classroom. If that's something that you guys truly want, this I think would be a good jumping off place. So right here, I've got the research, that Idaho crazy research study. This is a sell to both parents and students. Say, look, it works. Quit messing around. I really encourage your student to get on board with our program. And then I've got this handy dandy article here, which just really emphasizes the fact that 40%, I mean, anybody can hit 40%, right? At least that's what we're hoping. All right. Here are the slides. I've shared both of these with you, Natasha and Stephanie. They're the same. They need a little bit of work here and there, but they're getting pretty close to something I can present during the first couple of classes to hopefully sell them on the idea. Down here is just some handy dandy knowledge from Khan Academy that talks about data challenges and 5 questions in a row and kind of how the whole thing works, and what it looks like. Right, there's a picture of what it should look like if you're getting to a mastery challenge. This doesn't always show up, but when it does, I encourage students to hit it first because, like I say, it's the only way I think for them to go from like a level 2 or level 3 to mastered. So it's pretty important to train them up so they'll go for the mastery challenges. All right. Mission Foundation, exponents. I don't think it's a Tennessee state standard, but it's pretty easy, and it kind of gives them a sense of completion, so I'm going for it. Let's go down here to order of operations. I hope they're in order. That was my intention. Yep, there it is, order of operations. And as you can see, all my kids mastered it, or all the kids who were in Timberlake's class mastered it pretty quickly, I believe. It's not that difficult. But, yeah. Let's see. Back to this. And then they're all laid out. So, sorry, let me do this again. So, exponents, order of operations, all the way down here to this. What I did is here they are, order of operations. Negative numbers on the number line. Ordering negative numbers, etc. ad nauseum. And then, if you look right here, each one has a play posit. Now, play posits are kind of fun in that they make them watch a video and answer questions at the same time. Let's see if it'll... They won't... Oh, yeah, view... Nah, won't let me do it over here. But anyway, it goes through the video, and right here, I don't think it'll let me fast forward. Oh, well. Oh, yeah, so I guess the questions, and then it gives you like a data readout at the end. I can't show it until some people have taken the test, but one of the things I ran into when I was doing this the last time was they wouldn't watch the video. They just jump in and start doing the exercises, and that's cool to some degree. But it was frustrating when they wouldn't get them right, and then they would ask me. So I tried to redirect them to the video before I start answering a bunch of questions about, this, that, or the other. But yeah, they're all up here. And yeah, hopefully, my goal or my thinking on this is, one of the ways I think this would be useful, of course, this could be, I think when I did this last time, I had Khan Academy as kind of a separate entity, from the Mathalicious or the separate units that I would do. And it was a good way to keep everything on track and everything graded in the same place so we could all look at it in the same way. And I think I'm going to try and do that again. But this time, we've got a clear beginning and a clear end. Mission Foundation. These are all 6th grade standards, but they're kind of pivotal in understanding the next round of information. And like I say, let's see if I can get back here. They got it, and I think there's probably a strong correlation between students who are able to get through these exercises and master them and understand them, and their level of success down here. All right. If you have any ideas or feedback on this, or suggestions for maybe small groups, I know that we're going to be putting some of this stuff off onto small groups, and I don't know if this would be a useful tool for, say, ELA or history or science to use during those times, or if they need to come up with their own stuff, or even how they would go about doing it without, I don't know. I guess I'm just looking for feedback. But I think I'm going to start here with this foundation and see if I can tie it in with a couple other things, and then use the other 45 minutes of my class to do what I want to do. All right. Well, there you have it.